camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. You get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money?
Me da buy your house a car.
Me the girls them honey, but if that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew.
Me say we better than
me and me crew.
me say we better than me. We are them mother man. Yes, we are them mother man.
Junior, you see my handbag?
Mommy, what did you do with handbag? You need to put on your clothes first.
God have mercy. I didn't even realize I'm not dressed yet. What time is the function?
You just need to know say it's getting late.
Call Joe. Call him now.
Called you a long time, mommy.
Oh, I forgot.
Mommy, we're about to collect $250 million. Not a good time to get senile. Come on, mommy.
Alright, let's go.
These people going to collect $250 million. Are they late? Wanna come now?
Are the millionaire people them you come for, sir?
You have a mother and a father?
Yes, sir.
You should never again stop and talk to a man in a parked car. Now get up, take care of yourself.
True, you care, millionaire. You show off.
Junior, how your mommy look?
Not exactly like a millionaire, but you're getting there. Come on, man, let's go.
You ready at last?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Yeah.
This is a very special occasion, not only for the big win lottery company of Jamaica, but for one very special and very lucky person here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Jamaica's newest millionaire, Mr. Hemsley Morris Jr. I would like to invite Mr. Hemsley to come up and say a few words.
I'd like to thank everyone for coming. Yeah. This was a game of chance, and I took mine, yeah? I'd like to thank my mother. Mommy, big up yourself, Mommy. Although you nearly deaf me with the pot and pan them, yeah? If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have won this chump change, yeah?
It's true. It's true him talking. If you don't bring up your children in the right and proper manner, they will not achieve what my son has achieved today. Yeah.
So thank you, and Big up Me Kru.
What is it like to be the mother of the new millionaire?
Very pride. I take pride in bringing up my children. I feed them well to nourish their brains and see to it that they go to school clean. Thank you.
So how would you guys spend this money?
None of your business. It's common to want to come to rob us. That's none of your business. I notice how you're looking at those stray girls over there. But let me tell you something. I will not tolerate any of them coming to live with me and you. Because all them want is with money.
Mommy, I'm a man. I was just looking at the lady.
How you know she's a lady? How you know that? And not lady of the evening?
Calm down, mommy. He's a big man, you know. And it's time he start treat me like a big man too. Plus now me have my money.
Oh yes. Show off your stuff.
Yo, let me this now.
Thank you, Papa Jesus. I can't broke again. Joe, I will see you later.
Yes, Sister B. Take some rest. See you later. Yes, seller. I pull back this. I'm not interested in no comedy.
So much you want?
Hype. You is a millionaire now. Let me give you a word of advice. You ever wash your hand?
Yeah. What?
So you know what one hand do to the other. Yeah?
Yeah, one hand wash the other.
Ah, you're not as dumb as I thought. No, if one hand not washing the other one properly, it's going to end up dirty. Now your hands clean. See you later with a clean heart.
Yes. Well, I will have to come down there. What's the address? Yes, sir. How much you say was for that one? What? 50 million for what? For one house? Look here. It's not the housing scheme I'm asking you about, you know, darling. Oh, man. 50 million. What is one of them people here? The things that people have money, I pick up eyes.
Mommy, what you doing?
I'm buying a house for us.
Without my consent? Why we need to leave here? Nobody around here don't know that is we win the lottery.
I love this community, Junior. But there are few that give bad name to the many. We have to buy a house.
Mommy, it's right here I staying. This is my money. And you can't just want to spend my money as you feel.
What do you mean this is your money?
My money.
This is our money! I was the one who inveigled you to go and buy the ticket. Look here, I'm warning you, you know, Junior. Don't spit in the sky.
But I just don't like the way you're planning to spend my money.
Remember what Shakespeare said? A fool and his money shall soon be parted.
Shakespeare never said nothing like that.
Whatever, whosoever want to say it. Whether Marcus Garvey head what say a guy in the body. A fool and his money shall end up in family court. Or divorce court, whichever one of them. Well, that is my saying.
Yo!
Is who that?
You are the lottery, dude.
No.
You are the singer, dude. If for you, I'm man cool still, you know. Protect our man come for protect you. I am the dad.
I don't know nothing about that, you know.
Here, my man. You soon know. This if one of you win the millions, make sure I know you. Because if I you, soon find out.
Mommy, give me the number for the real estate agent. Fast!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you getting through?
Well,
Are they getting through, Miss Plow?
Yes, sir, Mr. Baker.
This is Mr. Devlin. He will look after you.
How do you do, Mr. Devlin?
Morning, please. After you.
Keep an eye on it for me. You move too slippery at times.
Yes, sir, Mr. Baker.
So, Mr. and Mrs.
No, we're not married. He's my son.
Oh, wow. How did that one slip out? It's just that younger men are marrying the older women these days. That is the trend. I'm sorry, it's just that you look a little bit... Never mind.
I don't like this place. Come, we're leaving, man.
I'm sorry, I meant the whole thing as a joke.
How dare you call me whole woman? You woman a hole!
Actually, she is. She's 97.
Let me sit down, man. It's the third place we're coming in right now. It's time we just get this thing over with.
I forgot your names.
Just call me Hype.
Hype! Hyperactive! Hypertension! Hypothermia! I love your name. You, miss?
Whole woman. Whole cow. Whole rooster. Whole heifer.
Okay. Let sleeping dogs lie.
So me a dog now?
Mommy.
And me a call dog boy? So me a dog now? Eh?
Mommy.
Who you call? You don't hear him call me dog.
Mommy, calm down now, man. It's just like a remark like your Shakespeare remark.
I am very, very sorry, man. I really don't want to be fired. It's just a remark that I learned in high school.
And if you go back to school then?
Any more of that loose talk. And we'll take our business elsewhere.
Is there a problem?
No, Mr. Baker. Everything is sorted.
So why is this lady looking so underserviced?
Underservice? What do you know about me? What do you know about me, sir? You know my husband?
I was making reference to customer service. I know nothing about you. I was merely trying to ensure that you received proper customer service.
Oh.
Oh, this thing getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. We come here to buy a house. Can we get somewhere with that?
I'm sorry, miss. Can I get you some coffee?
Bring some mint here.
Mint. But yes, we have mint.
I have some places available.
What's the price?
Well, that depends. The prices vary. I have a place in Lizard Lane, Bullet Grove, and I have another 3-bedroom house up the road from Flatbridge.
Is that house we're looking, you know? House!
We're looking something in the 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom,
Swimming pool.
7 swimming pool
No,
range.
so much.
You're talking 50 million and up.
You have it or not?
Mr. Baker, they want a house in the 75 million range.
Jesus mercy! Oh, what is wrong with this man here?
Show them the houses in Beverly Hills and Cherry Gardens right away.
Are you ready?
So why you think we come here? For not dash tea and we?
Mr. Hype, did you drive?
No, we take the bus. Is that okay with you?
Let's go.
What you doing in the pool?
Sleeping.
You alright? You alright? You alright?
You don't think you can ask me a better question? Eh?
Mommy, what you doing in the pool and you can't swim?
I was just wetting my cherry garden appetite. If you was paying enough attention, you would see that I was drowning in the pool. You damn fool.
Come.
But the wig, the man. Boy, life is a strange thing, eh? I mean, look how long me living at the inner city. And nothing never happened to me down there yet. And the first day me come up here, me nearly lose my life.
Mommy, don't breathe too much into it. It's just a careless accident.
It's a sign.
Mommy, no more wonder. I wonder what Daddy would say if he could see us now.
How much time I tell you not to call him Daddy? People who call them father Daddy, or who know them. What I say you must call him?
Papa.
Aye, exactly. Your Papa is a worthless man. So therefore, him could find himself in this prosperous situation. Me know sometimes you think about him, you know. But you have to accept the fact that I'm still father and mother. From before you're born, it was just me and you. From you was inside the womb, I struggled to feed you. But I never give up. So you see, when you're born, it gives me more reason to continue the fight. So this little cherry garden home you see here is victory for that war. Thank you. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you.
Mommy, how you call Jesus Papa?
Stop the blasphemy, you stark.
Mommy, I want you to know, I really appreciate how you grew me up, as a mother.
You was always a good son. Always.
Thanks. It's only one thing, Mommy. I always wish I had a little sister.
You seriously want a sister?
Of course.
Well, you see, when you go on the road, anyone you see out there that you like, carry them come here. Bring it, come here.
Are there lots of people them you know look for?
Which part them there?
Them don't live here anymore.
So where them living now?
Unrelated.
You ask too much question for a little girl, you know.
Our cousin, related, close like that.
Then if it's your cousin, how we never see you down here before? And if it's your cousin, him will call you and tell you which part him live.
Welcome to Kemlani Mart.
Good morning.
How may I help you?
She's looking for a bed.
Well, how about this one?
Nande, tell me something. What can anybody do on this bed here? Jesus mercy, this one's a ladder man. Woo!
Well, after you've climbed into it, it'll make you sleep like you've never slept before.
You ever sleep with me yet, woman? How you know how I sleep?
What does your husband think?
He's not my husband.
Well, you two should get married. You'd make a good couple.
Tell me something. You're a marriage counselor or what? Eh? Me never come here for marriage counseling, no. It's a bed me come for buy. He's my son, that. You can marry to him if you want to. But he's not his type anyway.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I did not know.
Yeah, this one will do nicely, you know. Right now, we need a big flat screen TV.
The Innocent Kru is on a hunt tonight. And yeah, we might DJ, but we don't have mic. You could have take from now till the morning light.
Hey, you will gotta get the girl with the coming tight.
Attention all shoppers, we be having a ball. You girls wanna come, but my car's too small. Can they ride with your hype?
Hell yeah, that's right. Cause you will gotta get the girl with the coming tight.
Hey, Jaffa Kilocious, you got it going on. With your bashy face, me say, and you sexy walk. Spare me a minute, let me give you a talk. Tell you the truth, tell me almost lost. You got all me a view, which part you walk. See me no boy, keep me a pop. You want drive me carry, now your garage. You want to hold you, in on me up.
Gee, can't you see? Oh, hi. How may I help you?
Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Could I speak to the lady of the house, please? It's about your music. It's too loud.
Oh, sorry about that. I'll turn it down.
Excuse me. Are you the new tenants?
When you say tenant, what do you mean? Like people who rent place from landlord or people who can get notice?
Yeah.
Huh?
Have I said something wrong?
What's the opposite of tenant?
Are you the new owners?
You know, you could be a carpenter. You lick the nail right pan the head.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. To get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably I went